Let us learn about 3D views in Revit Architecture. The default 3D view can be accessed by clicking on the home-shaped icon in the ribbon. The 3D views can be zoomed using the scroll mouse button. The view can be rotated by moving the mouse while holding down Shift plus middle mouse button. Alternatively, the view cube on the top right can be used to rotate the 3D view. The small house icon next to the view cube can be used to bring back the 3D view to original position. The navigation bar below the view cube contains buttons for navigation wheel and zoom. Navigation wheel has functions for orbit, zoom, rewind and pan. Using these tools, a 3D view can be viewed from different directions. Let us see in detail the method of creating isometric plan views. For getting proper isometric views, we should have already set up different plan views and sections. I have already set up floor plan views and a section. First, let's duplicate the default 3D view. The duplicated view automatically opens. Right-click and then rename it as Floor Plan ISO. Then right-click on the view cube and we can see there is an option called Orient to View. This option shows the list of plan, elevation, section and 3D views which we have already created. From that, select the required view. Since we are creating an isometric plan view, I am selecting the ground floor sill level view. We can see that the view has oriented to a cut plan view cut at the ground floor level. Using the view cube, we can orient it to isometric view. The box which is enclosing the view is the section box. The 3D view is cut by the 6 sides of the section box and only elements which are inside the section box are visible. Since this is a floor plan view, the top and bottom of the section box cuts the model at the view range of that level. When the section box is selected, few arrows are displayed on all 4 sides. By clicking and dragging these arrows, the area displayed in the view can be manipulated. For example, by going into the front or side view in the view cube and then selecting the section box, we can adjust the top arrow to change the height at which the section is cut. After adjusting the height, we can use the view cube to set up the position of the view. In the same way, let us try creating a section view. First, let's duplicate the 3D view. The duplicated view automatically opens. Rename this view as section. Then right-click on the view cube and click on Orient to View. Select the section view from the drop-down list. We can see that the view has oriented itself to section view. Here too, by dragging the arrows of the section box, the view can be modified. In this way, by using the Orient to View option, different isometric and cut views can be created. Now that we have learned about creating 3D views, let's learn the ways to set up cameras. Cameras are useful in setting up 3D views for rendering. We can set up realistic cameras by placing them in the plan views. We can access the camera from the drop-down in the ribbon or from the View tab. Let us place a camera in the ground level floor plan. Camera can be placed by 2 mouse clicks. The first click assigns position and the second click specifies direction of the camera. Placing the camera automatically creates the 3D view for that perspective. We can adjust the bounding box to set up a proper frame. Cameras assign eye level based on the floor plan level in which it is created. Since we set up a camera in the ground level, the view will be framed as though a person standing at ground level took a photograph of the house. We can change the visual appearance of the view by using the Visual Style button at the bottom of the window. The different options available are wireframe, hidden line, shaded, consistent colors, realistic, and ray trace. Ray trace mode is very realistic. Ray trace mode even shows the minute variations which happen in lighting, shadows and other element changes every second and with every movement. But it takes time to load depending on graphics card capability and system configuration, so we can use the other options while working to save time. Let's change back to realistic mode. The 3D view created by the camera is placed in the list of 3D views. After setting up the camera, we can change the angle and orientation of the view using View Cube. Now let us try placing a camera at the first floor level. I have opened the ground floor slab floor plan view. I am selecting the camera button from the ribbon and placing the camera and choosing the direction such that it is a front elevation view. We can see in the 3D window that opens that the view created is as though taken from a person standing in the balcony of a nearby building. Thus, depending on our requirement, we can set up desired views.